Alright, this is 5.8, Lesson 1, Zero Product Property, and we're also going to be solving for quadratics. Alright, so the zero product property itself is a really simple concept. If I multiply two real numbers together and they equal 0, this means one of two possibilities. Either the first thing was equal to 0, or the second thing was equal to 0. Simple as that. So, when I look at my first example here, x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0, I have two things being multiplied together, and they equal 0. So this leads me to two possible things. Either x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I solve for x in both of those, I get x is equal to negative 2, or positive 3. So that's how I get my two possible answers for example 1. Now, really what I want you guys to be able to do is stuff like example 2. So I'm going to use the AC method to try to factor out 6x squared minus 5x minus 4 and get two pieces which then equal 0, so then I can use the zero product property. So I'm going to go ahead and use the AC method. So a times c is negative 24 and b is equal to negative 5. So 1 and negative 24, now that gives me negative 23, too big. 2 and negative 12, which gives me negative 11, still too big. 3 and negative 8, which gives me negative 5. That's it. So remember, once I have these two pieces, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as 6x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 4. And remember, it doesn't matter if I write it as plus 3x or minus 8x. If those are in the other places, I'll still be able to factor it. Just my product will be, instead of 2 times 3, 3 times 2. It just changes the order, so it doesn't make a difference. And of course, remember, this still equals 0. Now, when you have four pieces, you factor by grouping. Factor out 3x, leaving behind 2x plus 1. Factor out negative 4, that negative is important, leaving behind 2x plus 1, and that equals 0. Oh look, I have 2x plus 1 in both places, so I leave behind 3x minus 4 equals 0. So now I get my two worlds. I have 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Do the algebra and I get x is equal to negative 1/2, or x is equal to positive 4/3.